at the minimum you would want someone की ये जो journey है वो भी 3 years में कर ले. That's the minimum you want. अगर उससे ऊपर ले तो और भी अच्छी बात है.
Yeah.
I'm also thinking what can be comical in this particular thing. Despite it's just a simple activity. You're just going on a bike to your office. ऑफिस के अंदर luckily content भरा है थोड़ा सा.
हमेशा भरा होता है.
हाँ.
साल के 50 लाख हो रहे हैं, ठीक है. हाँ जी, म्यूजिक टीचर घर आएगा. मैं वो म्यूजिक टीचर बन चुका हूँ, ठीक है, जो उनके घरों में गया हूँ. I usually get a peek into the other aspects of the kids' lives as well, right? And I see how well these things are taken care of. Welcome to Make That Move.
Yeah, thank you for having me, Ashutosh. How are you?
Good, good. How are you?
I'm doing good as well.
So we don't know a lot about each other. Let's do that first.
Sure.
Give me your intro. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Sure. So जैसे कि आपने मेरा नाम जानते हैं ऋषिकेश, but I've been called Rishi ever since I was a little kid. So wherever I go, I just say my name is Rishi. And I have been in Bhubaneswar for almost 20 years now, 19-20 years. My childhood, my school, college, everything just went here only in Bhubaneswar. Barring my graduation, it was in Cuttack, but I used to do up and down every day. And so basically I did my bachelor. I'm a bachelor's degree holder, BCom holder from Srish University, Cuttack. And I did an MBA from KIT School of Management here in Patia. Post my MBA, it's been almost 3+ years now. I've been into the job market. I have been working in corporate HR. I have worked on quite some diverse roles, and I've done quite some things in HR. It includes hiring, recruitment and training and development, onboarding, induction, all those things, policies, guidelines, etc. So basically, I recently also started stand-up comedy. I recently started to do stand-up comedy. I did open mics. It's been something, I think 5 months back I started. November 2024 precisely is when I started. And I've been into it for 5 months now. I do regular open mics and shows whenever I get the opportunity and the time from my job as well, because I have a job in a product-based IT company. So I have to work about 9 hours a day at least. I have to work.
Okay.
And coming to my family life, I have my mom and dad with me. Apart from my mom and dad, I have 2 elder sisters, but they're married and settled in their lives. They're working and married and living outside Odisha right now. Apart from my job and apart from comedy, which I have recently started to pursue, I really like to play video games. I'm an avid gamer. I like to cook sometimes when I get the opportunity. And I also have this, it's a bit strange. I don't do long bike rides, but whenever I get time, I just take my bike and go for a ride and come back.
Yeah. So grocery shopping also?
Not necessarily grocery shopping. Grocery shopping means above grocery shopping, but less than long distance bike rides. So highest I've done is 120 kilometers, I think, till now.
120.
120.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, but when you see people doing 300, 400, 500 a day, it feels small.
Judging by what you said, yeah, that makes sense. 120 is okay.
True. अपने बारे में कुछ बताओ. Tell me. अपने बारे में.
Born and brought up here. Okay. Did my BTech. Schooling पूरा यहाँ पे in Bhubaneswar.
Okay.
My BTech from KIT. So yeah. TCS couple of years in Kolkata. Then came back to Bhubaneswar and had an event management firm called Silver Reflect Entertainment. That worked for 2.5 years, and I thought thoda bada sochta hai. Okay. So I was like, let's discover the ad space and see if I can get into a course in MICA. They handpicked 24 people. Okay. I got lucky. वो waitlist में मैं था, clear हो गया सो किस्मत. And 10 months over there, then an ad agency in Bombay. Nearly a year. Then I started teaching music while training myself for Trinity College London and doing some short films.
Okay.
There was a venture called Clap Talkies. My uncle started as a part of Inclusive Media Private Limited. That's in Noida. So he saw my work in some ads and he was like, "Tu bana sakta hai tu?" I was like, "Haan, karte hain short films." Some of the pictures are over there. You see? Okay. Make That Move kaha. Right. So all of that is there on Clap Talkies, and then simultaneously I started this thing called Layers of Music in 2018.
Okay.
And that worked wonders. Kalagoda Festival में हो गया show करते करते. We went to Kalagoda Festival in 2020.
Okay. Nice. It's a very big thing.
Yeah.
Very big thing that is.
We had our layers of music workshop mentioned in the newspaper that day. छोटा सा शेड्यूल में ना 5:30 बजे. Pretty excited about that. तो वो हुआ फिर पैंडेमिक में थोड़ा और बढ़ गया अपॉर्चुनिटी हमारे लिए ना रिवर्स हो गया वो. We started layers of lockdown.
Okay.
And we approached people across the globe because everybody was suffering from it. सब लोग घर पे बैठे हैं, musicians भी खास करके, and aspiring musicians also.
Okay.
Do something simple, even if it's like do that and send it to us, and we'll add layers of music onto that, and we'll put it up.
Okay.
So layers of lockdown happened. फिर I came back to Bhubaneswar in 2021. I lost my father, and this was one of his wishes. He was like, when I was in Bombay, he would tell me all the time, "Why don't you come to Bhubaneswar? We have a space. इसको utilize करके इसको कुछ क्यों नहीं करते?" वहाँ पे I said, try करते हैं. We started with music, yoga, chess, and table tennis.
Okay.
Grow करके we've got 7 activities, and we have a system where we are trying to find out the best in people
Okay.
from all age groups. That's the story of Make That Move, and the potential show. यहाँ कहीं होगा. Yeah. there.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So you, as an HR, if I ask you, what kind of people would you hire in a place like this to run this place? Suppose, like, let us. I don't know whether it's a good thing or bad thing. If I get some opportunities outside, right? I have a son now. कल को बाहर काम मिला, मेरा replacement मुझे यहाँ पे चाहिए. What should I be looking for in that person?
Okay.
Someone, of course, better than me. You know me.
Okay. See, if I were to give you a very honest answer and a very blunt answer to this question, if you were to, let's say, look at someone to run this whole place, okay, and obviously at least achieve all the goals which you have decided within the fixed period of time.
At least twice. अच्छा.
That's the minimum I'm saying.
Twice of what I have done so far. मान ले मैंने साल भर में अभी जो किया है,
हाँ.
right? कम से कम उसका 2 गुना.
ठीक है. नहीं, देखो ऐसा होता है कि मान के चलिए आप आज यहाँ पर है, आप एम कर रहे हो कि 3 साल बाद मेक दैट मूव यहाँ होना चाहिए, ठीक है. तो you have a 3-year time to cross this journey. Now at the minimum you would want someone कि ये जो जर्नी है वो भी 3 years में कर ले. That's the minimum you want. अगर उससे ऊपर ले तो और भी अच्छी बात है ये.
Yeah.
So you see, it's a very how to call it. If I can put it out in words, Ashutosh.
अब तक क्या कर रहा था?
If you'd like to put a mirror in front of you, ठीक है? You are going to need exactly someone who you see in the front.
No, have different hair, different face, can wear different clothes. Doesn't?
No, not in terms of physical appearance.
Oh my God! Really?
Okay.
Blew my.
Not in terms.
Why do I need a mirror, man? Like, why can't I just write down the attributes? Like,
no, it's not physical attributes. When I say
it's exactly, hence why the.
Chalo, when I say someone in front of you, I mean to say the person with that same goal, with that same thing inside, with that same passion that I want to take this or above this in the next 3 years. Now, looking for those kind of people, supposedly it's not simple. Okay, it's not simple. So supposedly you want to hire, for example, hypothetically speaking, if you want to hire, let's say, a React developer to build a website for your company, you can go and look for skills on React. Who has the relevant skills? Take a technical interview. You're in, if you're agreeing on the money. But when you are looking for passion, interest, and everything, it's not very simple that you can just judge on day one, or just by maybe a 1 hour interview. You cannot do that.
There's that, and I'm sorry to interrupt. The part about passion, I don't think people fake it in the interviews, or they say it, but I don't think. Why would anybody be as passionate to run this place as I am, even if money is involved? Right?
See, that's the thing. What happens is job interviews, they're very diplomatic in nature. Okay. So what happens is many of the times candidates just try to give answers to the interviewer as to what the interviewer wants to hear. They try their best to do that. Okay. They want to be politically correct. They want to be diplomatic. They want to be showing less bureaucratic nature, more of a technocrat nature. That's what they want to be. Now finding someone, but then again what you need to understand is interview is like you cannot do it forever. You have a fixed period of time and then the company has to take a decision whether this candidate is to be hired or not. But when you're talking of running a business, okay, when you're talking of success, this is called succession planning. Okay, कि मैं चला गया अब मेरी जगह पे यहाँ पे कौन देखेगा. You have to do, you cannot just do it by bringing someone from the outside. I'll be very honest on that. So for example, you have 4 or 5 people working with you. If we consider that.
I have a tie-up with 3 organizations. One of them is for Odyssey, and there's only one individual who comes. There's one for table tennis, there's one for yoga. Layers of music तो मैं खुद ही हूँ, तो उसे मैंने गिना नहीं, है ना. So for table tennis we have one key faculty member and then other people come, and same goes for yoga. Table tennis के लिए we have spin and smash. For yoga we've got smile yoga. There's one key faculty member and then others come in rotation.
So actually what happens is when you talk about succession planning, and you know there is no one above you right now in Make That Move, if we talk about it. So basically you are the one who calls the final shots, right?
Proprietor, hence yes.
Yes.
Legally proprietor, hence yes.
Yes. So what happens is that when we talk about getting the final head of any company, it is really crucial that you have to select the person carefully, whoever is going to be doing that. What happens is, in an ideal situation, if we look at some of the big companies in the world, tech, non-tech, whatever companies, the people who have become the head of the company by succession planning is ideally someone who has been in the company and shown his worth in every step. So ideally, if you were to find a successor for Make That Move, because you cannot be here at the moment, then you need someone who has proven his worth, okay, on various factors and has shown certain skill sets, which means not in terms of technical, but in terms of more softer sides like leadership, okay, communication, okay, and then you again on the side you have that passion and fire inside you thing going on.
Honestly, abhi thoda ghat gaya, you know why?
Okay.
Because see, when I started, I was like, you got to be attached to your activities, and you got to. So a part of you wants to micromanage everything, but the fact is, it runs far smoother and far better when you let people be, when you let them be, and you just handle the part where you're just taking care of the details. You're taking care of conversions from leads. Leads walk in. You're talking about calling people. वो तो आ जाते हैं यहाँ पे. They see the board, they walk in and they take a look.
Okay.
Conversion is up to you. Now let them join the activity and then let the faculty members take care of it. You don't bother. You don't get in unless and until it is the potential show or something else. I have stopped bothering the faculty members at all. Like कुछ नहीं. दूर रहो. And that has helped.
No. When I say about succession planning, I'm not talking about micromanaging. Okay, that is a whole separate, thing I'm talking about.
I get that part. I'm talking about that is a different thing. When you're talking about succession planning, that's a different thing. I'm talking about the passion and fire to be in a different direction. See, right now, initially when I started, the passion was okay. Make this place worth it. Make this place iska standard बढ़ा के रखो, and then make sure that the pricing is lower than the usual market rate.
Okay.
भर गया था, space भर गया था, manage करना मुश्किल हो रहा था.
Right. Again, that is where the trick comes in.
Yeah.
About you see, as मतलब owner of Make That Move, it is not possible for you कि आप हर छोटी बात में खुद से खुसते रहो at every
Exactly.
at every time. You need people जिनके ऊपर आप भरोसा करके भाई जैसे कि ओडिसी का आपका सपोज क्लास जो आप बोल रहे थे मेरे को पहले भी कि ओडिसी का कोई बंदा है वो ओडिसी पूरा मैनेज करो तो उसको देख.
अरे बंदा नहीं बोलो भाई, गुरुजी है वो.
ठीक है.
He's been training for over 30 years.
हाँ.
Can you believe
अच्छा
it?
ठीक है. For example, this yoga. जो योगा ट्रेनर
7 साल
है,
आप
पूरा योगा
10 साल पढ़ के चलो.
आप पूरा योगा देखो, ठीक है. और इनिशियली व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि आप जब वो नया पूरा ऑनबोर्ड होते हैं आपके साथ, इनिशियली तो यू कैन नॉट आल्सो गिव देम कि तू जो करना है कर. You have to look at things which are happening, and see, as a head of company, you must be doing this also. It's not, it doesn't go without saying. You obviously, as I mentioned, cannot look into every nitty-gritty of things. Okay, but yes, you have to have an overall view of what's happening with Make That Move. जैसे कि for example, let's say the ODC students or let's say the yoga students, they're having a complaint. Okay. Now, obviously, you expect the trainer to look after it, whatever the issues are with the students, and if it is necessary, it needs to be brought up to you, whatever the concerns are. Okay. Now, at one point of time, maybe the problem could be so big that you might have to intervene in the middle as the head of this organization.
Since you mentioned it, na, ये recently actually हुआ है
Okay.
in terms of Odyssey.
Hmm.
So we gave it to the faculty member to handle it. Now he's good at teaching. His job is to teach. But when it comes to handling these things, when it comes to managing students and all, then students and admin related stuff, then we can't give him the authority to decide, because the parents are counting on us to do that. When it comes to admin related decisions or queries, that's for us to handle. That is why the parents are not going to listen to what he said, what the teacher said. Few parents actually complained. Why is he talking to us? Who is he? Who are these other people who came in between? I said, forget about all of that. You talk to me about it. We'll handle the issues. Me and my mother. You just asked me, who's the decision maker over here? Legally, I am. Yeah, but if I'm not around, I can count on my mother to handle things. And there are times when we have disagreements, but if there's a decision to be taken, I take an executive decision, and if it is okay, it's okay. Otherwise, the blame is on me, and I have to find a way to fix it. That is how it goes. So, yeah, this part comes. What would you have done differently had you been handling Make That Move right now?
If I was handling Make That Move, if I can suggest a better word, not differently, but additionally, if I can suggest.
Okay.
Additionally, what I would be doing is, supposedly I have, let's say I have identified that, as I think you were saying, there is no restriction on age group, whomever can come and learn. Okay. But, let's say I identify that these category of age groups or these category of professionals are coming into my studio and they're showing a good interest. Then I'll try various methods, probably some trial and tested methods, a bit of, hit and trial methods to get them in. For example, if let's say my yoga segment is being consumed by professionals, because professionals nowadays are getting concerned about their health and they want to get involved in some sort of activity, and that's why they're choosing yoga. Then I will try my best, or I'll try to figure out, okay, how do I reach out to corporate professionals? How do I, talk to them? How do they see about Make That Move? If let's say drawing is for students, if I figure that out, drawing is mostly for students.
Students as in children or?
School
students, okay.
Probably between the age of, let's say, 6 to 12.
Okay.
Then I will try to figure out how do I reach to the parents of students.
Because it's the other way around actually.
No.
Sketching and painting.
The final decision maker, parents.
No. We started in the same direction.
Okay.
Sketching and painting. Here's what happened. You had parents coming in. You got more adults in the batch than kids.
No. I just that's why I said, just for example, if my core audience is students and students are only coming in, not parents. In that sense, I'm talking. So if parents come in, then I'll have to again re-strategize my whole way how to reach out to them.
Diversify into different age groups and all.
Yeah, diversify, and apart from that, for each age group or for each category or each niche, I have different methodologies to reach out to them. Okay. I would also look at probably expansion plans, even though this location is good, but I would also probably look into seeing where I can collaborate and expand myself.
We are planning on collaborating with somebody in Niladri Vihar.
Okay.
See, this place belongs to us.
Yes.
Right? So there's no issue. But I really want a bit of a challenge. Let's see if the faculty members. Right now we are generating enough revenue, but a lot of it goes into renovating, maintenance, renovating, and sometimes prepping up for shows and promotions. It goes right. So there's a very low profit margin. We are able to pay ourselves, thankfully, but ultimately Make That Move doesn't make anything.
Okay.
Yeah. So the two employees apart from trainers are Ms. Pranati Mishra, my mother, and Ashutosh. So that's it. Make That Mike. It's like home run business. But when it goes to some other place where we got to pay rent, got to have your maintenance, you got to do everything else also. That is where, you know, you have to have targets which are.
You know why I said about expansion, I'll tell you. Despite the fact that this location is good and everything, there is no problem with that. It is just that, let's say, you mentioned that for this art, a lot of parents are showing interest.
Yeah.
A lot of seniors. So let's say a good number of senior people living in the Chandrasekharpur Infocity and Patia line, considering that there are a lot of corporate firms there. Now, for them, a big challenge will be the logistical part, coming here every day.
Yeah.
Or coming here even once a week, because that once a week journey will cost them 15 to 18 kilometers.
Yeah, so no, we don't have. Actually, we had people coming from that distance, you know. We had somebody coming from not Chandrasekharpur, Khandagiri. Then we had somebody coming from Lakshmi Sagar,
Okay.
right? And every time that student would come here, she'd be like, "Sir, आपका center कितना दूर है?" Right? And I would be like, "हाँ, तेरे लिए वहाँ पे एक खोल देता हूँ फिर." So yeah, I'm actually considering going to different places for my activities and taking my faculty members there. Right.
You know, another thing which I would do is I would like to also keep a very open line of communication with everyone, in the sense that, you know,
With everyone as in?
everyone as in, you see, when I say open line of communication, I mean that I will have a normal communication flow with as much as I can, obviously, with the student. In case of children, probably with their parents, not directly with them, because again, the parents will have a better understanding compared to the student. Yes, students are also open to speak. No problem. with
About
that.
what? About what?
About grievances and issues in that form of communication channel. So, for example, let's say, you know, in the batch of ODC, how many students are there?
15.
15, na?
15, 16 now.
16, na? So, many of them kids, I think. So, their parents might be.
One adult.
Okay, so many of the parents might be coming to pick and drop. Yeah, I would like to spend, you know, 15 minutes or 20 minutes a day just speaking to those guys and hearing
A
about
day or a month?
a day every time they come in.
Every time.
15 minutes, not much.
If I were now I am a parent, right? If my boy is going somewhere, I'd be like, "Sir, can you have a parent-teacher meeting once a month?" Because we already.
You don't understand. This is not a parent-teacher meeting. When I say 15 minutes, not with each and every parent 15
Yeah,
minutes.
sir. Can you not like? Yeah, but what will you do with every
So
class?
in those 15 minutes, I would like to have an open form of feedback and probably try to understand grievances, areas of improvement. कभी-कभी क्या होता है आशुतोष? Even in the middle of the lines, there are many things which we miss out.
Why can't you do that on a WhatsApp group?
You can do that. You can do that. I'm not saying no. But then again, you know, over the past 3 years being an HR, I have realized one important thing: the physical impact, physical presence has a greater impact.
There I agree.
Yeah, that's why.
But digital is no less, you know. Like,
Digital is no less. Digital का तो रहेगा, रख सकते हैं. That's not a problem. But why I'm saying this, because of the impact, physical impact. वो सामने आपके होंगे, वो आपको देख रहे होंगे, आपका ये स्टूडियो देख रहे होंगे, और फिर वो बोलेंगे. ठीक है. सिंपल थिंग, फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे सर वो ठीक है सर, लेकिन बहुत गर्मी हो रहा है सर, तो परफॉर्मेंस में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है बिकॉज इट्स टू हॉट. देन आई कैन प्रॉब्ली लुक एट पुटिंग इन अनदर एसी. लेकिन मान के चलिए पेरेंट्स कभी आए ही नहीं यहाँ पर, बच्चे कभी बोले नहीं, सो देन
नहीं बच्चे बोलते हैं. We make it a point for them to sweat like anything. ठीक है. We have our ODC sir. If somebody had pointed out, sir.
ଗରମ ବହୁତ ହଉଛି.
ବହୁତ ଗରମ ହେଉଛି and ଝାଳ ନାଳ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ପିଲା ମୋର ପୁରା ଓଦା ହେଇକି ଆସୁଛି. ନାଚୁଛି ଯଦି ଝାଳ ବୋହିବନି, ଆଚ୍ଛା କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ, ଏ ଗୋଟେ that is how he. And but he got the point. It's not like he got the point. Just to save face, he said that to the parent. Later he comes to me and Baba, AC गुड़ाक रिपेयर करो, गरम हेलानी, पेरेंट मैंने पिटी पकेबे मते.
पता तो चल रहा है सर, पता तो चल रहा है, झूठ नहीं बोल रहे वो सर.
हाँ नहीं आज का पता नहीं क्या हुआ है.
आज तक गर्मी बहुत ज्यादा है एक्चुअली बाहर.
Maybe because both the ACs are at what, 19, no?
This one is 19.
Well, that is also 19 and not turbo. Why is that door open? अच्छा, उसका भी अंदर का AC चल रहा है. Wow.
सही है.
That is also at 20 or something.
Yeah. अच्छा, what is your plans for Make That Move going ahead?
For Make That Move going ahead. So there are two things we are going to do. I have this property called Make That Mic. You know, where you also participated. You've been a performer in two shows, right? Two or three. Right. So we've had three shows over here. One at Studio 44, right? And you have been a performer twice. Both the times we had some audience, right? We had a good number of audience members.
Yes.
Right. And it's there on Book My Show. It's listed on. We list it on Book My Show every time we do it. So
Yes.
future plans are, yes, expansion for Make That Move, one. Potential show has to be looked after, and it's got to be restarted. Maybe we rebrand the potential show, call it something else, or we maintain it and we change a few things about it. There's that, and well, there are a few things I need to do with Layers of Music and the Red Curtain International at Make That Move. As in, like, look at these songs.
Okay.
They were all made over here. Squirrels, New Starry Night, Faith in a Lifetime, and there's one called Shaky Pumpkin, I think. Niche hoga.
Okay.
So these are songs that are made over here. Shaky Pumpkin is a stop motion animation project that we had. Within a span of 2 years, we've had 5 stop motion animation projects, 4 songs, full-fledged songs that are out on Spotify. And what? We've had students who cleared 2 grades of Trinity, initial and grade 1. And the same with Odyssey, right? And some of our students are going to start going to tournaments in table tennis and chess.
Okay.
So, ye ho gaya hai, right? And what else? I mean, what more can I ask for? We've got a collection of paintings. We've got some paintings that are, like, look at that one. That's a painting that was done by a student over here. Happens to be my wife, but yeah. Right. So, yeah.
Acha, these paintings are for commercial sale.
Yeah, we're going to sell them.
Okay. So,
We might have a proper auction someday over here of all the paintings. So, yeah, you were saying?
okay, no. So basically, when you talk about commercial sales, so everything is for Make That Move, or the Ye Kit Sakat, the painter is involved in that.
No, if the kids make it, right, or a student makes it who's an adult, we can sell the paintings and we can ask them, do you want to keep the money, or do you want to put it on some social cause, or do you want it to be the fees for Make That Move?
Okay.
Whatever you choose. Fees for the next month, or whatever, whatever they want to do with that thing.
Okay. Got it.
There's some social causes also. See, the Red Curtain International is associated with us, right? I've been a part of it, not with Make That Move. I've been a part of the Red Curtain International for over 3 years now, right?
Okay.
And they're going to have their first play in Bhubaneswar at Make That Move. So they've been doing good theatre for good causes for over 50 years now. And the first beneficiary they had was Mother Teresa
Okay.
back in Kolkata.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to hear these plan of actions for the future.
Plans of action.
Ah.
Yeah. Sorry, I am a bit of a grammar Nazi. And sometimes I make mistakes and then I correct myself.
Okay. नहीं वो तो पता चलता है बातचीत से कि आपका जनरल.
Yeah. I repeat a sentence twice or thrice unless I get the grammar right. Like if I make a mistake, yeah.
Okay. जी.
So, plans on comedy, what do you want to do आगे जाके?
So I've been in for a few months right now in comedy. I'm actually planning to work a little bit on scripts. Okay. So I use a technique called laughs per minute. Okay, that's how I try to do it.
Interesting.
That's how I try to do it. So basically, it's not necessary. Okay, it's just something which I use, and it's not at all a parameter to judge a comedian. But what I do is I try to keep at least 2 laughs in 1 minute. Now there are comedians
2 laughs a minute.
in 1 minute at least. That audience is like ha 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 laughing. That should happen twice in 1 minute.
Okay, ha is laugh. Okay. Achha, thanks. Yeah.
Yeah. So now, So now, the latest I have
audience for the Keep talking. Today I'll satisfy you.
मेरी कोई जरूरत नहीं है. तुम नॉर्मल रहो.
30 seconds. हाँ.
तुम नॉर्मल रहो. ठीक है. So the thing is that when I was doing it initially, in 1 minute I was successful to get about one initially when I was doing it. Now I'm at about 10 at 7 minutes, so about 1.3 laughs a minute, something like that. The mathematics comes down to that. But that's what I'm planning to do. I'm trying to increase
To 14 in 7 minutes.
yeah 14 in 7 minutes. That's the whole intention. Considering that 7 minutes is an average time for an open mic. But then again, I'm also exploring 2-3 other avenues in the sense that there is this storytelling form of comedy which Zakir Khan does. If you have seen his old videos, especially the popular one, when I met a Delhi girl, very nice story, ye nothing vulgar and all, and people were laughing like mad. बस अभी आपने मेरे को लड़की बना दिया यार आपने तो मेरे को अच्छा ठीक है ये भाभी जी के साथ करिएगा
अब नहीं कर सकता ये बोलना जरूरी था उसे नहीं पता था उसने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा
अच्छा
अब क्या करेंगे
कुछ नहीं भी गूगल करेंगे और क्या यूट्यूब में जाके देखेंगे और क्या
नहीं
टैलेंट शुड नॉट बी केप्ट हिडन यू नो
हाँ करेक्ट जाकिर भाई स्पेशली शुड नॉट बी केप्ट हिडन
so that's another thing which I'm trying to see. I tried it in my first show. It went okay but not very great, so that's why I came down to this technique of laughs per minute. Now obviously there are comedians who give 6 to 7 laughs in 1 minute. There are comedians who exist, but that's again a very pro level thing. It's not very easy to achieve that. Okay, so again अभी तो इतने में चल रहा है कि 2 laughs a minute हो जाए तो I'm in a good pace. I'm apart from I'm also interested in poetry. I'm trying to write something
nice,
but again the wordings are a problem. Rhyming words end mein.
Rhyming, it's all about timing.
So that's what I'm trying to do. Those 5-minute poetry, 7-minute poetries. Those are I'm trying to do that. Well, I try to write comedy when it comes to specifically to stand-up comedy. When I write anything or when I'm thinking about a script, usually what I'm doing is I am trying to find out humor in instances.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what I'm trying to do, specifically my personal life. Yeah.
Humor is everywhere.
So I'm trying to find out how can I put that situation in such a way that it's laughable.
Get out of your comfort zone and you will find humor in a lot of places. And sorry, not comfort zone. Get out of your routine. It will take you out of your comfort zone.
So that's what I'm trying to do right now. So for example, even if I'm going to office and I'm riding my bike and going to office, I'm also thinking what can be comical in this particular thing, despite it's just a simple activity. You're just going on a bike to your office. Office के अंदर luckily content भरा है थोड़ा सा,
हमेशा भरा होता है.
So that's a good thing. In fact, in my previous show, my first 2 or 3 minutes was stuff from my office only, and my recent recruitment drives which I had done. So that from that only I got some good content and I used it and it worked luckily. So I'm thinking of probably doing it on YouTube, but then again there's the fear of being fired. If my
why will don't mention the company.
हाँ वही नहीं करूँगा, कंपनी का नाम वगैरह कुछ नहीं लूँगा.
Where do you work?
I work at Make That Move. I'm a consultant.
हाँ.
ठीक है भूल गया.
Yeah, you're fired.
पूरे कैमरे
How dare you do comedy?
पूरे कैमरे के सामने आप मुझे फायर कर रहे हो.
नहीं.
बैकलैश हो जाएगा Make That Move का. आपको पता है ना?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं.
एडमिशन रुक जाएंगे. ऑन कैमरा फायर.
हाँ. ये बात और तेरा नहीं. Let's not make fun of your job. You're working at Make That Move after all.
So that's how I'm trying to do it right now. Most of the jokes which I have done is ये मैं कुछ stand-up comedians जिन्होंने act किया हुआ है पहले से and they have done good acts, उनसे भी थोड़ा inspiration लेने की कोशिश करता हूँ. Style of talking, for example. Then there is this using certain expressions. But you know the Satyabrat Mahapatra?
Yeah.
So he had actually told me one thing, Rishi, if you are doing comedy now, ensure your material is authentic. भले ही खराब हो लेकिन ऑथेंटिक रहने दो उसको. डोंट कॉपी फ्रॉम समवन. अगर तो किसी और से कॉपी कर रहा है तो भाई मैं उसी क्यों ना देखने चले जाऊं फिर. तो ही टॉट मी दैट एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू कीप इट एज ऑथेंटिक एज पॉसिबल. और एंड आई एम नॉट यूजिंग AI tools at all to get comedy material, not at all.
Why do you?
No, I tried it but then it did not work out. So I said no AI for comedy.
Yeah,
AI can write codes, AI can do anything, but not comedy.
AI should not mess with creativity. It wrote a romantic song. You can't use it on anybody, on any human. Yeah, I don't remember how it was, but yeah.
आपने भी AI से गाना गवाया है?
हाँ नहीं, रहने दो भाई. Singers का talent क्यों छीने?
वही तो.
See, if you ask me, I'd rather have an above someone who's above average and make them sing Squirrels or New Starry Night. And see, this one, there was a student who was learning vocals back then, right? And she'd been doing it for around 10 months or so. So her basics were clear. सुर पकड़ना आता था, but she has never recorded before. Recording पे जब बैठोगे कैसे होना चाहिए, you got your headphones, what is distracting you, what tempo do you follow, that training also followed, and करते करते कर लिया उसने. This one she produced. She's like, this is the music I want, you do this for me, this is how I want you to. So पूरा producer बन के रही वो.
Okay.
And you will be singing because I need a male voice in this, right? I don't need a female. I need a male voice. You sing it and pura direction deke. Correct. One of my
She sang this one.
No, she sang Squirrels with me. She made me sing this. She produced this.
Okay. She was the producer.
She was the producer of this one, and one of my cousins also gave me a lot of feedback in this one. Now, these are kids who are, I think, 18 or 19 now. The other one, Arpita, is 15. Meher is 19, I think. Arpita, my student. Meher, my cousin. वो आके input दे रही है New Starry Night पे. And that was made for my nephew, Faith in a Lifetime, who recently got married.
Okay.
Right, so that happened. Now, and वो सब यहीं पे हुआ है. We didn't go to a studio, we didn't do anything. So the idea was to show that at using minimal equipment, a simple mic and a tool like Adobe Audition, which is really good. At least it meets some standards. You can produce music which sounds like this. Okay. Of course, I'm thinking it's not as good as studio, but to the average ear that's not trained in music, पता नहीं चलेगा.
ये गाना तो मैंने सुना है. New Starry Night.
तो अभी मैं अगर बोलूँगा कि पूरा का पूरा यही एक वो छोटे से कमरे में रिकॉर्ड हुआ है, नो साउंड प्रूफिंग, कुछ नहीं हुआ था, और सारा का सारा साउंड जो है, सारा म्यूजिक केम फ्रॉम अ कीबोर्ड, नथिंग एल्स. बाकी वी मेड आवर चेंजेस, वी डिड आवर एडिट्स, वी एडेड आवर इफेक्ट्स एंड ऑल. दैट्स इट.
नहीं, सही है. काफी एफिशिएंट यूज ऑफ योर अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेज हुआ है. You know, this is actually a very good thing, आशुतोष, जो आपने किया है, क्योंकि मैं आपको बताता हूँ, many people, मैं बस बोलना चाहता हूँ, many people think in any sort of line they're working in, they need, मतलब उनका एक होता है कि भाई यही चाहिए, ये चाहिए, तब जाके मैं कर पाऊंगा, जबकि वो लोग ना इग्नोर कर लेते हैं that there is already quite some things available with them. आप स्टार्ट तो करो, आप उसका वेट मत करो, आप स्टार्ट कर लो, वो चीज़ आएगा नहीं, but you still have always have something with you.
See, if this works, right? If somebody critically acclaims, if someone appreciates the lyrics of New Starry Night or Squirrels, I would know that I can write as per global standards and I can work on songs. So I can start approaching people. I can start approaching musicians online who want to work on lyrics for the songs. If the voice is good enough with a recording like this, I can actually approach a studio and redo Squirrels and New Starry Night and Faith in a Lifetime.
Okay.
अलग से करो.
Nice. No, that's quite good. That it was done quite good despite having resource constraints.
It's हो जाता है. It's not that big a deal if you think about it. And another thing is it opens up the artist in you. है ना? हम लोग as trainers, as teachers, I'm guilty of this thing, कि जब सिखाने जाते हैं ना, we end up teaching a song on the keyboard, right? Because the parents want it. कहाँ बजाएगा? सोसाइटी में नीचे सब लोगों के सामने बजाएगा मेरा बच्चा गाना, प्लीज आप सिखा दो. ये होता है. दूसरा, वो स्टेज पे परफॉर्मेंसेस है स्कूल पे, तो teach them that song. It's like the kid doesn't know the alphabet and you're asking him or her to recite a poem. Ratta marwa marwa ke you can recite because it's all about sounds. Ultimately अगर नहीं समझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
जी रॉट एजुकेशन बेसिकली
रोट मेमोरी से. Is that how you came across the term रट्टा मारना?
हाँ नहीं मतलब आई एक्चुअली फर्स्ट हैड रट्टा देन आई हैड रॉट एजुकेशन
Yeah. ओह. नहीं, ये होता है. We are trying to change that. We are trying to make that fun. I am doing it for students. I am coming up with techniques now. I am using some old techniques that people have shown me to make music learning fun. वो अभी इफेक्टिव हो रहा है. बैच में शायद नहीं कर पाऊँ पर 1-on-1 बॉम्बे में हो रहा था. 1-on-1 करो, इट यूज टू वर्क.
ओके
ग्रुप में थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है.
वो पर्सनलाइज्ड अटेंशन
या
जितने ज़्यादा मेंबर्स बढ़ जाते हैं पर्सनलाइज्ड अटेंशन उतना कम होता जाएगा. आप नहीं कर पाएंगे.
you know, okay, if you're in a seminar versus when you talk to someone, one person, right, you're far more focused. Okay, which one would you prefer, talking to 1,000 people on a seminar or a one-on-one conversation?
वो तो इससे डिपेंड करता है ना.
पैसा पे ना लगा ही था मेरा भी सेम.
वो सभी का डिपेंड करता है पैसे के ऊपर ना.
नहीं मैं अभी
जैसे कि अगर मैकिन्सी में काम कर रहा हूँ मुझे तो एक बंदे से बात करने के लिए भाई 10 लाख मिल रहा है, मैं तो वहीं पे जाऊंगा ना.
हाँ बिल्कुल. नहीं
मान के चलिए मुझे अगर MLM करना है तो मुझे सेमिनार करना होगा सर. एक्चुअली नहीं, आई विल टेल यू,
टेक चार्ज ऑफ योर लाइफ. पिरामिड स्कीम
वो सब MLM बिल्कुल मत करना. बहुत ही बड़ा स्कैम है वो. ठीक है.
आई हैड नो आइडिया.
बहुत बड़ा स्कैम है. So basically the thing is that when it comes to one-on-one sessions, those are needed in case of things which are supposed to be done in a personalized manner. Okay, for example, let's say that this group discussions which happen in job interviews. ठीक है. Because इतने सारे बच्चे हैं और आपको सिलेक्ट करना है कुछ ही बच्चों को फॉर इंटरव्यू because of the constraint of time and resources. So you do group interviews, group discussions. आपने देख लिया अच्छा ग्रुप में ये बच्चा अच्छा कर रहा है तो इनको निकाल दो और आगे ले जाओ. ठीक है. ये ग्रुप में बात नहीं कर पा रहा है, ही इज हैविंग कम्युनिकेशन इश्यूज, so potentially not a good candidate maybe for us. These are some situations where you started in mass but then you came out and you did it individually. You see, the whole idea of group and individual communication is as simple. Here it's a need, there's a need of customization. Here there is no need of customization, but one thing needs to reach to 1,000 people. So
Yeah.
you know this ये आपका क्या बोलते हैं स्टॉक मार्केट ट्रेनिंग के क्लासेस होते रहते हैं.
Yeah.
By various people, we see their ads on YouTube and all. Now those people do not target people with basic knowledge and people who have knowledge of stock market. They are targeting people who have zero knowledge.
Yeah.
Because एक बेस बनाना बहुत जरूरी है. But when you go to National Stock Exchange website, there are courses which you, depending upon your interest and your focus area, you can take them up. Because now you know the basics, but now you have to advance into another stage of stock market. So that's how the whole thing is. Okay. You know, like अगर मान के चले आपका कोई बच्चा है जो ओडिसी में बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, उसको प्रॉब्लम नेशनल्स में जाना है, तो सर जो है वो ग्रुप में नहीं सिखा सकते, उसको अकेले आके सिखाना पड़ेगा.
वो भी हो रहा है. सी यहाँ पे दिस इज वन थिंग दैट आई लाइक टू टेक आउट ऑफ a live example, right? हम लोग जब बैचेस कर लेते हैं ना, the good ones they are usually left behind. मैं पहचान लूँगा किसी को. Suppose you're really good at playing. Let's say vocals का क्लास चल रहा है, पूरा बैच है, but जो मुश्किल हरकत है सारा का सारा, that you can do with ease, and you're doing it comfortably and you're enjoying it, right? The fun will reach its saturation if I keep on making you do the same thing again and again and again, because it's not challenging for you anymore.
Correct.
है ना?
तुम उसमें एक्सपर्ट बन गए ना, अब तुम्हें उसके ऊपर जाना है. next
And
level.
we don't have another batch that has your level of expertise. So for you, I have to carve another batch. I have to make another batch. And I'll talk to your parents for a one-on-one class. They will not pay.
महंगा हो रहा है ना.
बहुत महंगा हो रहा है. Now what do? I say, you know what? We will prepare her for a particular contest, or we'll work on her for this. But I need you to pay. For the parent, and now that I am a parent, I get this part. If my child has this thing, it's an extracurricular activity, right? I'd like the child to be safe in the long run. If the child is doing this throughout, am I ready to see my child stand outside a studio for 7 to 8 hours, or sit outside the studio, or be asked to leave, face several rejections, heartless rejection, पूरा sorry, thank you for coming, and ये तो होता है. Sometimes it goes, what are you doing? Do you even कब से बजाना स्टार्ट किया, कब से गाना स्टार्ट किया, आता भी है, कौन सिखाया तुमको, सिखा अच्छा रहा होगा, तुम प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते होगे, या फिर तुमको आता ही नहीं होगा. एक काम करो, म्यूजिक करो ही मत, तुम छोड़ दो. There are many people who say it, even now in Bhubaneswar तो बहुत, right? I'm a guy, I went to Bombay and I recorded a few songs वहाँ पे at some people's request for a video, and अच्छा खासा गया, right? पैसा मिल गया, आवाज़ लग गई, सब हो गया, मिक्सिंग मास्टरिंग भी हो गया, right? Over there ये होता है. भुवनेश्वर में I have seen this happen to people, भयंकर rejections. I have seen यहाँ पे आप खुद को प्रूव कर लो, इज्जत कमा लो, उसके बाद वो थोड़ा सा हाँ ठीक है. Having said that, it's not about the location. भुवनेश्वर में भी you've got people, I have seen people जो बहुत cooperative हैं. Recently there was a studio where I went जहाँ पे like initially he was like, यार आपने अच्छा नहीं किया, मैं सुना like छी यार बहुत बुरा गया ये टेक, I'm so sorry, हाँ let's आप थोड़ा रिलैक्स होके फ्री होके गाओ ना. And we did, it worked. उसको जो चाहिए था मिल गया, ठीक है. ये वाला सुनो, यहाँ पे थोड़ा और थोड़ा, you know, this part is going, if you could add a little more, if you could just थोड़ा ये वाला हरकत अगर, and if you could be a little softer over here, यहाँ पे भी होता है. and वही चीज़ आपको हर जगह होता है. but am I prepared to see my child go through all of it?
क्या होता है कि every parent wants to see their children safe and sound and steady. ठीक है. like you know that film MS धोनी का, कितना खुश नहीं था धोनी का पिताजी जब उनको मिल गया था रेलवे में, बिकॉज ही नोज नाउ अभी कुछ भी हो जाए ये सरकारी नौकरी जाने नहीं वाला है, बेटा सेफ एंड सिक्योर हो गया. और स्टेशन एएसएम इज अ गुड पोजीशन टू स्टार्ट विद. लोग मर पड़ते हैं एएसएम पोजीशन के लिए, उसको स्पोर्ट्स कोटा मिल गया था. सो दैट्स द थिंग. इवन माय फादर कमिंग फ्रॉम बैंकिंग बैकग्राउंड, ही ऑलवेज वांटेड मी कि मैं थोड़ा सा गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स की तैयारी करूं, बिकॉज ही हैज सीन स्टेबिलिटी, ही हैज सीन सिक्योरिटी. और इसने ही वाज लाइक अगर तुम ऑफिसर बन गए तो पैसे भी ठीक ठाक ही मिल जाएंगे, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा कभी दिक्कत की.
Same about my mom, sports quota, income tax happened, right? And after that, what happened to your sports department की ओर से she participated, है ना, काफ़ी कुछ किया उन्होंने, खेले, दौड़े, सब हुआ. She was an athlete.
Okay.
ठीक है.
It was running ना?
हाँ.
Okay.
She was into long jump also.
अच्छा.
Long jump था, high jump था.
Also.
And सब में she took part in all, she participated in all these events. We've seen her do that, right? After a point, it stopped. Recently, I was like, and she used to play basketball also back then. Recently, I asked her, why are you not coaching? Why don't you do it? You are into fitness. She's like, अभी I don't want to.
Sure.
हाँ, अभी उनका पोता है. Like my son is there. Okay, my son is like 10 days old. उसके टांगों पड़ के 1 2 3 yeah.
होता है. You see, what happens is, you know, my dad when my dad joined SBI, he joined through that normal selection process, exam देकर. but उनके काफी सारे कलीग्स थे जो स्पोर्ट्स कोटा से गए थे. तो वो लोग क्या करते थे पता है, नौकरी भी तो हो गया SBI में, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, बैंक की नौकरी है, ऑफिसर भी बन गए, प्रोबेशनरी ऑफिसर्स. वो लोग क्या करेंगे ना, 2 हफ्ता महीना भर आएंगे नहीं. क्यों सर, मैं जा रहा हूँ रणजी खेलने, मैं जा रहा हूँ दिलीप खेलने, ठीक है, मैं स्टेट लेवल में जा रहा हूँ. ये लोग क्या करेंगे, और वहां पे जाने से ज्यादा पैसा मिलता है. यू प्ले रणजी एंड ऑल, यू गेट मोर मनी कंपेयर टू व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग इन SBI. और तब तो इवन 5-10 हज़ार रुपए वाज अ वेरी बिग थिंग. क्योंकि तब पापा की इनकम ही 1500 थी महीने की. ओके. जो आज 54,000 चल रहा है महीने का।
Yeah.
सो
कैसे होता था यार 1,500 800 1000
तब 1 रुपए
दो
में
रुपए-
तब
दो-
1 लीटर ऑफ मिल्क वाज 1 रुपए।
या
1 रुपए में आपको 5 मतलब 5 आइटम मिल जाते थे, बोरा
Yeah.
आलू चॉप ये सब। आज तो साला 2 रुपए मतलब एक
Yeah, we
रुपए में
know.
कुछ नहीं मिलता, ठीक है। और उन दिनों तो इवन मतलब कितना पेट्रोल आई थिंक 5 रुपए आई थिंक चल रहा था लीटर, तो सब सस्ता हुआ करता था उन दिनों पर, ठीक है। सो दे व्हाट वुड हैपन इज दैट दोस अंकल्स ना, दे वुड प्ले अप टिल आराम से 28-30 की उम्र के खेल लिया, फिर शादी वादी हो गई, फिर आराम से बैक जॉब तो है, कुछ जा नहीं रहा है, पैसे भी कुछ कमा लिए हैं, बस ऐश करो। So that's how things become actually for many of the people in this government job.
No, even in the private sector, I have seen this. You want your kid to be safe and secure. If, see, 45-50 lakhs a year is not a lot of money for a lot of people, right? साल के 50 लाख हो रहे हैं, ठीक है। हाँ जी, म्यूजिक टीचर घर आएगा, मैं वो म्यूजिक टीचर बन चुका हूँ, ठीक है, जो उनके घरों में गया हूँ।
Okay.
सो आई नो म्यूजिक टीचर घर आएगा, उसको इतना देना है, बाकी सब ठीक है। I usually get a peek into the other aspects of the kids' lives as well, right? And I see how well these things are taken care of. There was a parent who said, you know what? There were many activities that he was into. We stopped everything. There are only 2 things he's doing. He's doing tennis and music. Then one activity, music, right? So you better take it seriously. Otherwise, we are going to fire you. मैं भी चौड़ में आके ask the kid if he wants another 10. Like, do you want another teacher? We can arrange that, because I heard him, he was yelling at you. No, mama, I made a big mistake. So, no, but having said that, we've got parents who are focused on this aspect also. Even if it's just a hobby, no? Let my child excel in it. So if the teacher is being harsh and the kid approves it, oh my God, सोने पे सुहागा हो गया मेरे लिए. Right? Because we are not in that era where, oh, the teacher yells at the kid and I am fine with it. No. How can the teacher yell? Raise a hand, chhod do. This action is also something that's frowned upon. How dare you? You can't. It's my child. It's not your student. आपका स्टूडेंट होने से पहले मेरा बच्चा है, हाथ नहीं उठा सकते, ऊंची आवाज में बात नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है। या बट अथॉरिटी पूरा डाल सकते हो। एंड देन देयर आर पेरेंट्स हु आर लाइक, नो, यू टेक चार्ज, मारना है मार दो,
अरे बाप रे बाप।
हाँ, पीट दो। That happens. You've seen both ends of the spectrum, and if you talk about, security, बाद में जाके for the kid, there are some parents who really want their kids to explore. मैं जो अभी बोल रहा था ना, am I prepared that my kid be rejected in different studios? If I'm a parent who can have a studio for his kid, तू क्या दूसरे स्टूडियो में जाएगा? तू प्रोड्यूस कर, रिकॉर्ड लेबल खोल, प्रोड्यूस कर। तेरे पास आर्टिस्ट आएंगे, तुझे अपना गाना बनाना है, चल तू 2 साल तक खाली प्रोड्यूस कर म्यूजिक दूसरों के लिए, फिर मैं प्रोड्यूस करूंगा तेरा गाना, चल।
ओके,
मैं समझूंगा तब तक म्यूजिक का क्या रहता है प्रोसेस, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। तब तक बस स्टूडियो खोल दिया, लेट पीपल कम, रिकॉर्ड, एंड यू मेक मनी आउट ऑफ इट। देयर आर पेरेंट्स हु वुड डू दैट आल्सो।
देखो क्या होता है कि अगेन माय पर्सपेक्टिव कम्स फ्रॉम लुकिंग एट माय पेरेंट्स, माय एक्सपीरियंसेस वेरी फ्रैंकली, ठीक है। और जितना मैं आजकल भी देखता हूँ ना, ये जस्ट लाइक एक पेरेंट जो होता है ना, पेरेंट जितना मैंने अपने मम्मी पापा को देखा है, अब आजकल तो पापा मम्मी काफी फ्रैंकली भी बात करते हैं मुझसे, दे डोंट हाइड थिंग्स, क्योंकि अब तो बच्चा नहीं रहा, अब इससे छुपा के क्या फायदा, सब बोलो इसको सच सच। लाइक द सिंपल फैक्ट आई वाज अडॉप्टेड, ठीक है, मजाक कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, मैं अडॉप्टेड नहीं हूँ। ये अलग बात है कि मेरे घर में सब गोरे में काला, ठीक है, अडॉप्टेड नहीं हूँ, ठीक है, बट आई स्टिल हैव माय डाउट्स।
डीएनए टेस्ट कभी भी करा सकते हैं ना, बस एक बाल। Why am I giving you ideas? Sorry, you.
But then again, they have always, like my father, he has always told me, Rishi, I wanted you to get into SBI or RBI or into banking sector, especially the government sector, because I just want to see you safe and secure.
Okay.
जैसे कि प्राइवेट में क्या होता है कि तुम irrespectively जहाँ भी काम कर रहे हो ना, anyone can just walk up into your office and say you're fired. Yeah, we don't need you anymore. या फिर just put down your papers. Government, that cannot happen. No one can just randomly walk in and say that to you.
But भैया आपके पास प्राइवेट में ऑप्शंस बहुत सारे हैं।
ऑप्शंस बहुत सारे हैं, करेक्ट, दैट्स, देखिए हर जगह पे प्रोज एंड कॉन्स है, बट जो सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर एक होता है एक जॉब सिक्योरिटी का, एक फ्यूचर का, वो प्राइवेट में डिस्पाइट द सिंपल फैक्ट दैट इवन इफ यू आर द सीईओ ऑफ गूगल योर जॉब इज नॉट सेफ, जॉब इज नॉट सेफ.
सो
ठीक है, सो दैट्स व्हाई पैसा बहुत है लेकिन सेफ नहीं है. ठीक है,
पैसा बहुत है, यू विल मेक योर मनी वर्क.
ट्रू बट देन अगेन हर कोई तो गूगल का सीईओ नहीं बन सकता ना, और गूगल में भी तो लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज है ना, उतना सभी इंजीनियर को जॉब दे देगा अपने यहाँ.
मोस्ट पीपल आर नॉट इंजीनियर्स आल्सो इन गूगल.
यस इवन इफ इंजीनियर्स छोड़ो, वो
डिग्री होल्डर्स भी नहीं है.
फिर भी सबको तो नहीं दे सकता ना. वैसे तो देखा जाए इंडिया में तो करोड़ों लोग मिल जाएंगे जो डिग्री के नहीं है. So that's one thing. ठीक है. Second thing is that I'll be very honest. Because my father was in SBI, I have seen him not, उनका ना काम का टेंशन रहेगा, 10 लोगों को हैंडल करना उसका टेंशन रहेगा, लेकिन वो कभी आके ये नहीं बोलेंगे कि आज मेरा जॉब चला जाएगा ये वैसा वाला, मैं अब क्या आगे क्या करेंगे ये करेंगे. इनफैक्ट अभी भी पेंशन आता है, सब सही चलता है. ठीक है. सो दैट इज वन थिंग. मतलब एक होता है ना, दैट इज मतलब आपका 10 टेंशन होगा लेकिन ये टेंशन नहीं आएगा आपका सरकारी में मेरा जॉब चला जाएगा. प्राइवेट में क्या होता है कि आजकल इट्स नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू, लाइक यू सॉ ना इन, आई थिंक इट हैपेंड 2 years बैक व्हेन गूगल लेड ऑफ few hundreds of employees and some of them were with them from 15 years. अब 15 साल दिए कंपनी को और आपने एक सेकंड भी नहीं सोचा निकालने से पहले. दैट हैपेंड. सो दैट्स द थिंग. ओके. And it's not wrong for a parent to see their child in a safe and secure level in their life in the future. Now आप कॉन्फिडेंटली इसलिए बोल रहे हो स्टूडियो की बात, probably because you think you can get it done.
नहीं देख, I can say it for studio, but let's say my kid pursues martial arts और actually scientist बन गया, है ना.
ये तो अच्छी बात है ना, इतना दुखी क्यों लग रहे हो यार.
डॉक्टर बन गया, नहीं डॉक्टर बन गया, उसमें क्या है, हम लोगों को एक्सपर्टीज नहीं है, वी डोंट नो, वी विल हैव टू फाइंड और एक्सप्रेसेस अ डिजायर.
स्टूडियो खोलना ठीक है, हॉस्पिटल कैसे खोलूं मैं.
हाँ, हॉस्पिटल तो नहीं खोल सकते, हॉस्पिटल छोड़, क्लिनिक जगह है भाई, क्लिनिक बना. नहीं बट वो छोड़, बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज सपोज, और टू टॉप एवरीथिंग एल्स, छोड़, आर्मी में जाना चाहता है, ठीक है, तुमको रोकने की भी हिम्मत नहीं होगी. हाउ डू यू फील एज अ पेरेंट डीप इनसाइड, knowing that any moment anything can happen to your kid?
well, मेरे पापा ऐसे क्यों, पता नहीं क्यों सोच रहे, वो तो बोले तू जा बेटा आर्मी में जा, वो तो चाहते थे कि तू आर्मी में घुस.
या डिसिप्लिन आए थोड़ी तेरे अंदर, मैनर्स सीखेगा. बाद में अगर धक्के मार के निकाल भी दे तब भी चलेगा, खुद छोड़ के आया तब भी चलेगा. मैं भाग नहीं पाया पर डिसिप्लिन आ जाएगा तेरे.
वो मेरे पापा चाहते थे.
गुड आइडिया, आई विल सेंड माय चाइल्ड टू आर्मी स्कूल. या सैनिक स्कूल भेजेंगे उसको.
सीरियसली में एडमिशन लेना पड़ता है, पता ना, वहाँ पे डोनेशन नहीं चलता.
एडमिशन नहीं लूंगा मैं.
नहीं, एडमिशन मतलब मेरिट से लेना पड़ता है, डोनेशन नहीं चलता वहाँ पर.
तो लायक बनाने की कोशिश तो कर सकता है ना, ऐसा तो नहीं कि
आपको देखे लगता तो नहीं है.
देखे बहुत लोगों को बहुत कुछ नहीं लगा था, ठीक है ना.
नहीं वैसी बात
लगा ही नहीं था किसी को कि मैं स्क्रीन प्ले लिखूंगा किसी पिक्चर का या गाने लिखूंगा.
नहीं लिख रहे ठीक है, चलेगा. वैसे
नहीं, बट यू आर राइट, आई हैव माय डाउट्स अबाउट माय सेल्फ आल्सो. नहीं हो,
नहीं देखो क्या होता है कि इट इज नॉट बैड टू थिंक दैट आर्मी तो फिर गर्व की बात है ना. मेरा इकलौता बेटा मेरा वो आर्मी में है.
इट्स ट्रू, बट देयर इज अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी वी हैड इन स्कूल वेयर a father was not mourning his son's death. They're in a train, right? He's going to get his son's corpse who died in battle. उस बेचारे को realize नहीं होता till someone says somebody else was mourning, and there was another mother in the same train who lost her third child, and this was his only son. And he's not mourning. He actually comes, he consoles her, and he proudly talks about this lady had lost her father, not her son. He's actually, I have lost my son. It's okay. He died in battle. I'm proud of him and all. Karte he's trying to console. He's telling everybody he's actually so proud that there's no room for sorrow, right? So this lady, in the end, stops sobbing and looks at her and goes, looks at him and goes, your son is never going to speak to you again, ever. He's not coming back home, ever. That is when it hit him hard. That no matter what, now I'm not going to share a meal with my son. I'm not going to be able to hug him, hold him, right? He's not going to talk back to me. That is where he started, and that is where he broke down. Sudden realization hits you. You were going with a lot of pride, no? Oh, my son died for the country, died for the nation. No, I want to. But sudden realization, right? I lost a son. I lost a son. The nation lost a son, and it's okay. He gave his life up. But this loss, something that had not hit him. The moment she said that, it hit him really hard, right? To think about this, when the reason parents want their kids to be safe, I must say, पंजाब जब देखते हो हर घर से क्या होता है, एक
पंजाब और हरियाणा,
एक अगर बेटा है बेटी हो, अभी तो बेटियों को भी, बट एक फौजी तो जाता है, एक तो कोई तो जाता है फौज में, एक बेटा कम से कम फौज में जाना ही है. The way I feel about it now is, I don't know how I'll feel if my son decides to go to the.
Relax, 18 साल है कम से कम उसके लिए. 18 साल के बाद
हम बिगाड़ दूंगा उसको अच्छे से, नहीं जाएगा.
पहले 18 साल मेक दैट मूव बना लेते हैं, ठीक है.
हाँ, और लक्ष्य वगैरह नहीं दिखाएंगे उसको. लक्ष्य बॉर्डर
आपका बेटा है, मेरे पास बच्चे को मैं तो सब कुछ दिखाऊंगा जो वो बनेगा.
ट्रू.
वो बनेगा पापा आइसक्रीम नहीं खिला रहे, मैं तो इतना बड़ा टब लेके दे दूंगा उसको. सही है. चलो.
It's a different thing. I'll hang you upside down, use you as a punching bag, and then show my son.
उठा सकते हो मेरे को?
Traumatize him. I'll hire people to do that. I'll just keep punching.
अच्छा, लेकिन आप तो बोले तो रेवेन्यू ज्यादा हुआ नहीं इस बार, पैसे कब से लेंगे?
Make that mic का पैसा लगा दूंगा.
बाउंसर आपको पता है कितना रेट चल रहा है आजकल?
तुझे कैसे पता? तू काम करता है?
नहीं, वो बार जाता हूँ ना.
तू बाउंसर से जाके ये बात करता, भैया छोड़ दो, आपका दिहाड़ी मैं देता हूँ भैया, ये होता है.
अब वैसे ही समझ लो, और क्या. अब बाकी कांड करने के बाद वैसे ही वही, दैट इज द ओनली ऑप्शन.
क्या करता है तू?
कुछ नहीं, आप समझ जाना.
आई एम ट्राइंग
कर लेता है. नहीं वैसी बात नहीं है. एक्चुअली हाउ आई नो अबाउट दिस इज बिकॉज मैं इधर था, मैं एक बिजनेस डील करने के लिए गया था. तो जिस बिल्डिंग में मैं गया था, उधर जो गार्ड था, ही वाज एक्चुअली बाउंसर. तो मैंने उसको पूछा, भाई आप नॉर्मल गार्ड तो लगते नहीं हो एंड ऑल. तो उसने कहा नहीं सर, मैं एक्चुअली बाउंसर का काम करता था, बट बिकॉज नाइट शिफ्ट्स हुआ करते थे एंड ऑल, सो आई लेफ्ट एंड ये सर जो है ओल्ड ओनर है बिल्डिंग की, ये मेरे जान पहचान वाले, इन्होंने मेरे को नौकरी दे दिया यहाँ पर गार्ड की. इट वॉज एक्चुअली नॉट अ जनरल, इट वॉज अ स्मॉल हॉस्पिटल. So that's why. So he told me कि सर पैसा बहुत था, लेकिन बात ये कि नाइट शिफ्ट एंड ऑल हेक्टिक. That's why I left. सही है. बट आई थिंक मेक दैट मूव इज गोइंग इन अ गुड डायरेक्शन, कंसिडरिंग कि अभी जो एडमिशंस बढ़ रहे हैं ना. सो आई थिंक ये मतलब अभी फिर ऐसा टाइम आएगा कि इवन ऐसा कोई टाइम नहीं होगा दिन में और शाम को कि यहाँ पे भीड़ नहीं होगा या स्टूडेंट्स नहीं होंगे.
Actually, I want classes to be contained right now. Because a lot of our time and energy will go into doing these things. Podcast हम लोग यहाँ पे shoot कर रहे हैं. You are our first guest. Sorry, you are the second guest. The first guests were Arpita and Prinjal. They were students. ठीक है. So how I see it is, yes, something or the other will be going on. सुबह योगा classes हो गए, योगा का class हुआ. Then there's either a shoot. Or a podcast or some event. I don't want it to be confined to only classes, right? As this venue, as the brand, yes, let it go into classes, let it go into, see, because when we started make that move, we went for our consumer insight and we had a belief that, there's a genius in everyone, but exploring it takes time, right? So you are good at something, find out what you're good at and or find out what you love. And we will help you grow in that direction or in that field, provided we have our faculty members or we have the structure for that. If not, we'll find a way, provided you have the money for it.
नहीं चिंता मत करो, पैसे ले लेंगे क्या पेरेंट्स.
पॉडकास्ट का पैसा, so yeah.
पॉडकास्ट तो आपकी यूट्यूब का है ना.
I know.
सारा पैसा तो वैसे भी आपका है, मेरा तो एक हाथ भी नहीं है उसमें.
Yeah. Say that's very believable.
No, that's really nice, bro.
No, Make That Move is headed in a good direction, and I actually like the way you are taking up stand-up comedy. Make That Move. You told me how you would take that up. Make That Mike. A few days back, you were telling me about an idea on doing it on weeknights.
हाँ, weekdays.
Sorry,
के
weekdays
night.
के evenings. Right.
Weekdays evening.
What do you call those? Weeknights or
No, we just call them. से क्या होता है? Weekdays होता है, weekends होता है. So-
weeknights? कुछ नहीं होता.
नहीं, weeknights ऐसा कुछ.
Google कर.
अच्छा होता है. यार मैं चारू मेरा नॉलेज सैचुरेट हो चुका है. ठीक है,
शाबाश.
ये मेरे को. ठीक है, मेरे
If you say something that I don't know, I don't care. You're fired. You won't be hired. I won't do the research because you say it. Who are you?
वही ठीक है. वैसे भी
Right.
अपना टिपिकल डायलॉग है. I'll just get back to you.
हाँ.
ठीक
ये
है.
वीकनाइट्स बोला था यार. शायद हम देखते हैं. हाँ अबे है. ए कॉल करो hired.
You know, I will not joke to you. मेरा एक दोस्त था. He is also an HR. ठीक है. वो लेकिन यहाँ बाहर काम करता है. उड़ीसा के बाहर. He works in पुणे. तो this fact. उसको
करेक्ट. पुणे उड़ीसा के बाहर. Yes.
नहीं फैक्ट इन द सेंस व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इट्स एक्चुअल. तो
हाँ.
उसको किसी एम्प्लॉय ने कुछ बोला था. ठीक है. तो उसे पता नहीं था. तो और वो बंदा जो है पता नहीं था. ऐसे कई टाइम चला. एम्प्लॉय ने भी फॉलोअप्स किया. इसने बोला हाँ मैं बोलता हूँ आपको देख के बताता हूँ. एक दिन पता है क्या हुआ. दिस इज हिलेरियस. वो बंदा जो है ना ऐसे ही बैठा था ऑफिस में. आज एचआर कुछ नहीं. आज तो एचआर कुछ नहीं कर रहा था. ऐसे ही बैठ के उसके दिमाग में थॉट आया. बोला कि देख लेते हैं क्या है ये. देखा. फिर इसने बोला कि मैं बुला लेता हूँ इस एम्प्लॉय को. उसने जो मुझसे चीज़ बोला था मुझे वो पता चल गया. मैं उसे बोलता हूँ. वो एम्प्लॉय रिजाइन करके जा भी चुका था कंपनी छोड़कर.
वाह.
फैक्ट.
I'll get back to you का ड्यूरेशन. आय हाय.
ठीक है. और वो ड्यूरेशन कितना कुछ महीने तो चला था. तब तक वो जिस एम्प्लॉय ने कंसर्न उठाया था वो सब निकल गया था कंपनी छोड़कर. उस दिन मुझे पता चला नहीं भाई बोल दो कि मैं 1 हफ्ते बाद बोलूंगा 10 दिन बाद बोलूंगा लेकिन टाइम बोल दो तुम.
Time
इनफैक्ट
frame is
आज भी
the
मैं
most.
बोलता हूँ मैं आपको 10 दिन बाद बोलूंगा. इनफैक्ट इफ कोई एम्प्लॉय भी आता है ना मेरे पास मैं बोलता हूँ मैं 10 दिन लूंगा लेकिन 10 दिन के बाद बोलूंगा.
ये वीकनाइट्स का कब पता चलेगा सर?
वीकनेट्स का भी इस शूट के बाद.
ठीक है. सो वीकडेज को शाम को हम लोग करने वाले हैं शो. राइट. सो यू इफ आई टेक people like you, if you're my target
People like
audience.
me only will come. ये
Yeah.
लोग जॉब करते हैं फुल टाइम ना.
But अलग अलग जॉब्स, अलग अलग टाइमिंग्स.
नहीं देखिए क्या होता है कि क्या मतलब मंडे टू फ्राइडे या मंडे टू सैटरडे ही होगा लोगों का जॉब. संडेज तो छुट्टी रहेगा.
व्हाट इज
they're
द
working-
टिपिकल सरकारी नौकरी साइकिल? 6
सरकारी-
बजे ना? 5:30 6 बजे तक दे
6 बजे तक. ठीक है. 6 बजे तक क्लोज हो जाता है यूजुअली सब कुछ. तो क्या होता है कि देर आर अगेन सम एस्पेक्ट्स. जैसे कि मान के चलिए इवन इफ यू आर वर्किंग इन अ सरकारी बैंक लाइक एसबीआई और अ ग्रामीण बैंक इवन फॉर दैट मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट. आपका बैंक का कस्टमर्स जो है आई थिंक वो 5:30 या 6 बजे लास्ट कस्टमर को लेते हैं. उसके बाद बंद कर देते हैं. उसके बाद काउंटिंग चालू हो जाता है. वो फिर 1-1.5 घंटा चलता है. तो दैट इज वन थिंग. फिर आई थिंक वी हैव दिस मिस्टर इंद्रपाल राइट. जो हाँ मिस्टर इंद्रपाल वो लॉजिस्टिक्स में काम करता है. तो उनका तो 24/7 चलता रहता है. वो ऑफिशियली सीखे वो सुबह जाके शाम को आते हैं लेकिन लॉजिस्टिक्स बंद नहीं हो सकता उनका.
या
देन यू नो देर इज दिस अनदर आई थिंक नहीं मंसूर नहीं कोई तो और है यार नाम याद नहीं. वो नाइट शिफ्ट्स करता है. तो उसके केस में फिर अलग हो जाता है. वो तो शाम का शो नहीं कर पाएगा वीकडेज को.
I am talking about audience members. Suppose I have something on a Wednesday evening, right? And you're a corporate employee. Why would you come to a live show and not go watch a movie? वो तो weekends को भी हो सकता है. But अगर option है, what are the chances of someone coming here? Is what I'm thinking.
अगेन देखो वीकेंड का भी क्या होता है कि वीकेंड्स जो होता है वो उसके माइंड में ये भी चल सकता है ना कि यार वीकेंड है मैं क्यों कोई ओपन माइक में जाऊँ जहाँ पर कोई जोक्स की गारंटी भी नहीं होता. बिकॉज ओपन माइक्स नॉट गारंटीड. ठीक है. क्यों जाऊँ मैं. उससे अच्छा नेटफ्लिक्स देख लेता हूँ या फिर बैठे गेम खेल लेता हूँ या फिर दोस्तों के साथ चलो कहीं बाहर घुमा घूमी करके खाना वाना खा के आते हैं. वो भी हो सकता है. इट्स ऑलवेज अ 50-50 चांस. बट दैट चांस कैन बी
I
टेकन.
think yeah, I'll take that chance. I'll
एक
take
मतलब
that
ऐसा
chance.
तो नहीं कि अपना कुछ लॉस हो रहा है उसमें.
No, I'll take
उल्टा तो
it.
प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. पैसा आके लोग आ नहीं रहे हैं. तो दैट्स अ प्रॉफिट ना इफ दैट हैपेंस.
That has happened for
आई थिंक वन शो में हुआ था. एक शो में हुआ था ये.
2 शो में हुआ है. एक यहाँ पे नहीं एक्चुअली एक ही शो. दूसरे शो में 2 टिकट्स बिका था. 2 लोग आए थे. ठीक है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम द परफॉर्मर्स एंड द ब्रिंगर्स. सो 18 टिकट्स बिक गए एंड ये यहाँ पे शो था बट नोबडी शोड अप सो $50 पर टिकट राइट 49 एक्चुअली
राउंड फिगर 50 और क्या, वो बुक माई शो में बुक किया था ना।
तो अर्ली बर्ड टिकट्स थे कुछ, उसमें से वो भी ख़त्म हो गया था, 99 वाले थे। तो 18 में से सॉरी वी हैड 23 टिकट्स सोल्ड, 5 of them were 99 rupees, the other 18 were 49.
मतलब 18 से आपको 900 रुपये का फायदा हो गया और
बाकी
5 से 500 रुपये का, 1300 रुपये का प्रॉफिट। अच्छी बात है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल निकल गया। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल निकल जाएगा उस दिन का।
उस दिन का उतना नहीं जाता बट
वो एसी वेसी ऑन करके बड़ा रखना पड़ता है ना, इसलिए।
स्टिल
नो नो दैट्स ठीक है, एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन हो सकता है ये चीज़, ठीक है। आपने 1-2 बार किया, अगर अच्छा लग रहा है तो कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो एज यूजुअल वीकेंड्स तो है ही अपना।
समटाइम्स आई फील लाइक
या फिर और भी बढ़िया फ्राइडे नाइट्स,
फ्राइडे नाइट्स रख सकते हैं।
सैटरडे संडे टिपिकल
एक्चुअली फ्राइडे इज अ गुड आइडिया।
फ्राइडे नाइट।
आज क्या है? फ्राइडे है। नहीं आज नहीं रखते, वैसे भी टाइम नहीं हो सकता।
10 मिनट में कितने टिकट बिकेंगे भगवान जाने।
अभी
10 नहीं 40 मिनट सॉरी। हाँ
नहीं बट फ्राइडे इवनिंग्स आर अ गुड आइडिया। फ्राइडे 7:30।
आप ऑफिस से आ गए लोग, सैटरडे को ऑफ रहता है बहुत लोगों का।
बट आई रियली वांट टू ट्राई वन ऑफ द वीकडेज।
हाँ एक मतलब वेडनेसडे कर सकते हो, फ्राइडे कर सकते हो। यू कैन इवन डू एक्सपेरिमेंटेशंस बिकॉज वी आर नॉट डायरेक्टली हैविंग एनी बिग शॉट लॉसेस। यू कैन इवन डू 5 days ऑफ अ वीक। मैं 5 दिन करूंगा, 5 दिन में से कौन सा दिन आ रहा है। एक हफ्ता आपने मंडे कर लिया, एक हफ्ता आपने वेडनेसडे कर लिया, वैसे
कैन डू।
सही है यार।
मेक दैट माइक इज गुड।
मेक दैट माइक इज अ गुड। यहाँ पे मतलब वेन्यू भी काफी सही है मेक दैट माइक करने के लिए।
One more thing that you said about make that move, it also applies to make that mic. Take it outside. उसको भी अभी मैं बाहर ले रहा हूँ। स्टूडियो 44 पे हमने किया था एक बारी, and now we'll try to take it to space and other venues. करेंगे। We'll do that.
ठीक है सर, आपको और कुछ पूछना है?
No, the right way to ask it is, do you have any questions for?
That's why इंटरव्यू नहीं चल रहा है यहाँ पर।
Yeah.
इंटरव्यू चल रहा होता तो मैं पूछता मेरे को यहाँ पे क्यों काम करना चाहिए। नहीं
लायक हो तुम और पैसा दे रहा हूँ। खत्म बात।
अच्छा यार, ये जो तुमने बोल दिया ना लायक है तो मेरे घर वालों को एक बार बोल दो। घर वालों को यकीन नहीं होता मेरे ऊपर कि मैं इतना लायक हूँ।
नहीं मैं कम पैसे दे रहा हूँ इसलिए बोलना पड़।
अच्छा।
नहीं बट या घर वालों भाई तू कुछ भी कर ले, घर वालों के लिए कभी नहीं होने वाला। लायक एंड आप नो।
वही तो वो माँ बाप की जिंदगी, माँ बाप की नजर में आप हमेशा नीचे ही रहते हो।
नालायक।
हाँ थोड़ा पॉलिटिकल करेक्ट होना थोड़ा जरूरी है, इतना खुद को मैं थोड़ा गाली दूंगा।
हाँ
सही है। चलो ठीक है देन। इट वाज रियली नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू मिस्टर नाथ।
या ओ माय गॉड formality.
It was really nice talking to you, Mr. Nath. This studio is also amazing.
Thank you very much.
और इस स्टूडियो को यूटिलाइज करिए, ठीक है?
करेंगे।
और वो क्या बोलते हैं, वो जो बोल रहे थे ना कुछ कोलैबोरेशन नयापल्ली कह रहा हूँ, नीलाद्री बिहार में बात करें।
नीलाद्री बिहार में या आई एम गोइंग टू डू दैट विद स्टूडियो 44 अगर होता है। नथिंग लाइक इट।
बढ़िया है। उनका भी तो काफी सही स्पेस है।
या
उनका भी काफी सही स्पेस है।
Not that space, we might take up another one. Let us see.
अच्छा सही है दोस्त, सही है। चलो बहुत थकावट लग रही है अब।
हाँ let's just go have something.
हाँ let's have something.
Bye. Thank you.
Take care guys.
CTA बता।
Yeah?
CTA.
Okay.
Do like, share and subscribe. You know the drill.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are not going to edit anything. Hopefully. अगर edit किया तो बीच में ऐसा
फ्लिकर हो जाएगा,
डिप टू ब्लैक होके आएगा।
ओके
पता चलेगा।
चलो टेक केयर,
बाय
एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू हिज चैनल।
आशुतोष
बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं भाई, सपोर्ट थोड़ा दिखाइए, प्यार दिखाइए भाई के लिए।
इसको लाना पड़ रहा है स्ट्रगल तो।
ठीक है ना?
डू कैच हिम ऑन इंस्टा। व्हाट्स हिज इंस्टा?
इंक्रीमेंट नहीं होने वाला है।
व्हाट्स हिज इंस्टा आईडी?
ऋषि ब्रो। अभी यूट्यूब स्टार्ट कर दूंगा, यूट्यूब स्टार्ट करने के बाद
डिस्क्रिप्शन में बाद में डाल देंगे, ठीक है इसका।
चलो टेक केयर,
डू फॉलो हिम, डू फॉलो मी। चलो
adios,
बाय।